How to get TradingView discount code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in TradingView promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. You can choose any of the website to get the promo codes. Just scroll down and go through the websites. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, dealtop.com. Once you open it, you're gonna find tons of options. You just have to scroll down and go through the offers and deals. If you're interested in any of the deals, click on the option of show coupon. After you open it, you will get the code. Now you can copy it. I have selected 75% off on my order. After you copy the code, you can head towards the TradingView website and apply this code. If you want to use this code right away, click on this option, use at tradingview.com. You will be directed to the official website of TradingView. Now you can log into your account and use this code. So that's all for this video. This is how you can easily get TradingView discount codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.